friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be frying catfish nuggets in the air fryer. For this easy recipe, all we need is catfish nuggets and breading. So I'm just going to use breadcrumbs, and for other types of breading, if you'd like, you can use flour, or for low carb, you can use almond flour, or you can skip the breading at all if you'd like. So there's really different ways to make them. In the air fryer, the cooking time and temperature is the same with breading or without. So let's do it. So I have catfish nuggets. For my breading, I'm using breadcrumbs. I'm just going to put them on a plate. So these breadcrumbs are already seasoned. If you have unseasoned breadcrumbs, feel free to add extra seasonings such as salt and pepper. So you could sprinkle the catfish nuggets with your seasonings and then bread them with the breadcrumbs. So these are seasoned breadcrumbs. I'm going to take out the air fryer basket and spray it with a non-stick spray. If you'd rather not use the spray, you can brush the bottom of the air fryer basket with vegetable oil, because we want to keep the breading from sticking to the basket. We don't want it to fall off the fish. So let's spray. And now I'm going to dip the catfish nuggets in the breading. So just dip it in breading on both sides and put in the air fryer. So now I've breaded all the catfish nuggets, and let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and it'll set the time to 10 minutes. So now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these catfish nuggets. They're so nicely browned. They look amazing, perfectly cooked. So I didn't have to flip them. As you can see, they browned on both sides. So no need to flip, because when you flip, there's a good chance you'll disturb the breading. It can come off. But if you'd like, you can always flip them halfway through cooking, but I didn't, and they're still great on both sides. Perfect. So it looks like fried fish, but I didn't use any oil and didn't use a fryer. So air fryer is great for that. Look how nicely browned and crunchy they look. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. So they're perfectly cooked inside. The breading is very crunchy, and catfish inside is so soft, juicy, and delicious. You're going to love making fried catfish nuggets in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!